Hello and welcome to QNet. We're excited to present to you our new product in health and well-being, Ole Olive Leaf Extract. Olive leaf extract is widely considered to be a natural defender of your immune system, with greater benefits than both vitamin C and extra virgin olive oil. Olive leaf extract is a powerful combatant against harmful free radicals and is most effective as part of a balanced diet and when complemented by sufficient exercise. Olive leaf has been used throughout history by ancient cultures, including the Greeks, Romans, and Egyptians. Then in the 19th century, studies revealed the potential health benefits of olive leaf extract, and today remains one of the most exciting and unique herbal discoveries. What makes olive leaf extract so special? Well, firstly, it contains various trace elements that are vital to good health, including vitamin C, iron, zinc, selenium, chromium, beta-carotene, and wide range of important amino acids. Not only that, but olive leaf extract has been used to treat fevers, colds, and flu, common coughs, and asthma as well. It's also good for your heart, helping to maintain a normal and healthy cardiovascular system and normal heart function. And as mentioned earlier, it's also a powerful defense against free radicals. But what exactly are free radicals? When we inhale oxygen, our body cells use that oxygen to produce energy, which produces free radicals as a natural byproduct. Free radicals are molecules that have lost one of their electrons, therefore rendering them unbalanced and highly reactive. These free radicals then cause damage to our bodies called oxidative damage, leading to heart disease, diabetes, infections, and hypertension, as well as cancer and immune system dysfunction. The best way to prevent this is to consume sources rich in antioxidants, the perfect antidote for free radicals. Antioxidants can be found naturally in food we consume and can prevent or slow the damage free radicals cause our bodies. This is because antioxidants specifically target and eliminate free radicals. They also help repair damaged cells, and that helps to reduce the signs of aging and help fight degenerative disease. Olive leaf extract has 5 times the antioxidant capacity than vitamin C and has almost double the power of green tea extract and grapeseed extract. Even fruits that are generally associated with being high in antioxidants, such as cranberry and raspberry, contain only a minute fraction of antioxidant power when compared to the fresh picked olive leaf extracts. In fact, research conducted at Australia's Southern Cross University has identified the olive leaf as the most powerful antioxidant of 55 medicinal herbs, including milk thistle, ginseng, tea leaf, black cohosh, sage, and Virginia skullcap. The secret behind olive leaf extract is that it contains polyphenolic antioxidants, or what we call phenols, which have very strong free radical fighting properties that also strengthen the immune system as well. When the leaves that are used to create the extract are freshly picked, the potency of the extract is considerably higher in strength and is more readily bioavailable than dry leaf or reconstituted powder. However, not all olive products contain the same concentration level. Only extra virgin olive oil and olive leaf extract are considered superior sources of phenols. But when you compare olive oil and olive leaf extract, the leaf extract contains up to 40 times greater concentrations of phenolic compounds, but without the high fat content of extra virgin olive oil. It should be noted that when you start taking supplements to cleanse the body of free radicals and unwanted microbes and toxins, it is not unusual to display symptoms of such as fatigue, mild headaches, muscle or joint pain, and minor rashes. You shouldn't be concerned at all. This is just a sign that the supplement is working to clear away unwanted substances and is known as the healing effect or the Herxheimer effect. Just remember to drink plenty of water between doses of the supplement. Do you still need convincing about the body guarding benefits of Olay? Well, consider these facts regarding the quality of this remarkable product. Firstly, International Genetic Bank. The olive trees used to create Olay are scientifically selected based on DNA identification and high-performance liquid chromatography selection. The growers of Olay's fresh olive leaves tested 60 different olive varieties from 12 countries to identify the variety that is most perfectly suited to fresh leaf extract production. Branch to bottle processing. Olay leaves are freshly picked during a sunrise harvest stand, then immediately processed and bottled, meaning there is no storage, drying or damage of the leaves. The natural properties are maintained. The branch to bottle processing of Olay also means the natural properties of the olive leaf are protected and maintained, resulting in fresh, alive leaves that retain their full range of polyphenotics in a synergistic effect. Critical processes are combined to ensure the highest quality and potency. The olive trees grown to produce Olay are only farmed naturally on virgin land using vermiculture or worm-created fertilizers and pristine irrigation water. Pure and natural ingredients, Olay contains no artificial flavors, colorings, preservatives, alcohol, sugar, lactose, starch, yeast, gluten, or any animal products. 100% Australian grown, the Australian climate. Prime agricultural soils and geographical location make the country one of the world's leaders in cultivation of fresh produce. The world's largest olive leaf grove, 550,000 Olea europaea trees grown solely for fresh leaf. Halal certified Olay is processed, prepared and packaged in a halal certified facility. Quality control recognition, Olay is fully certified by a number of governing bodies, including Good Manufacturing Practice Australian Register of the Therapeutic Goods World Health Organization guidelines on good agriculture and collection practices of herbal medicines. Up to 40 times more polyphenols than extra virgin olive oil. The use of fresh olive leaves means a synergistic effect that retain the full range of polyphenolic antioxidants, not just oleuropein. Over 500% more TAC, total antioxidant capacity, than the leading fruit juices companies in the world. Discover the benefits of olive leaves and boost your immune system with Olay olive leaf extract. Time for me to have a sip as well. Fantastic taste. So if you want a part of Olay, please visit us on our site.